In this video, we're going to look at how to import your citations from a PubMed search into your citation manager software. We are using this free citation manager called Zotero, and there's another video on how to download and use this. So we're going to create a new collection by pressing on this icon, and we're going to name it Scaphoid Non-Union. So this will be a new collection of citation. We create OK, and it takes us to this new folder, Scaphoid Non-Union, and it is empty. So we need to now import the citation file, which is a RIS file or a file of this nature, which is a special file which you can't just read it. It is used for citation managers to import your citation. So once we have done that, we go to the site where the file is. So we have downloaded from the previous section a file consisting of the entry. So here is the file. So we're going to open that file. So this is the file that was exported from PubMed of the citations that we had searched in PubMed. We're going to open that. You click on that, and it says copy file to Zotero storage folder, and you say yes, and it will now copy all the citations into this file. So here we have it. So we have the 41 files that we had searched in PubMed, which is now being imported into Zotero, and this now can be used for your article or your literature review as the citations. Thank you.